Tower Gateway in 1 minute. I'm not going to make it. Shadwell, yeah, the DLR Shadwell station. So yeah, Shadwell DLR. Why does it say? I don't know. I might make it. You know, it's just here. Shadwell Bank and Tower Gateway on 2. Platforms 1 and 2. Wow. Oh my god. We just made it. And it's driverless. Look at that. That was bloody lucky. I didn't see where the next train was. So that was very lucky.
It's going a little bit fast.
The next stop is Tower Gateway, where this train will terminate. All change for London Underground District.
Tower Gateway, where this train terminates. Please ensure you have all your personal belongings with you to take the train.
End of the line for Tower Gateway. I think some people know what they're doing. Yes, so there you go. There's the end of the line. Right there. Here's the train. Now the slightly weird thing is we got on that without using the card at all. We just jumped on. So there's an Oyster card touch station, but nothing for paper cards. I wonder if that's free if you don't have an Oyster card. Can't be. So what have we done so far? We came in at Marylebone, we used the Bakerloo line down to Oxford Circus, then we used the Central line over to Tottenham Court Road, then we transferred to the Eliabeth line and we went out to Whitechapel, and then we used the Overground and then the DLR to Tower Gateway. Without a plan, we are actually covering quite a lot of the different methods. We've actually covered quite a few of the different lines already. So at least some sites. Tower of London. Tower of London. So there's the Tower of London Gardens. There's the Tower of London itself. And you can just see peeking out behind it is the Shard. And then what we've got up ahead is the famous Tower Bridge, of course. So I figured it would be worthwhile getting a few sites in, as well as the tube. Right, Tower Bridge, there you go, much better view. I think it's about here that the boat starts to open up, so we've got a certain speed restriction until this police position. So if I'm right, we will open up. Here we go. Fantastic. This is why it's worth coming on the Clippers. I love it. Let's open up. sharp end. There you go, so there's Cyclone Clipper. Right, so another site, the Cutty Sark here in Greenwich. That's a tunnel underneath the River Thames. I am tempted to take the stairs. Never knew that existed. So yeah, that is the Greenwich south end of a tunnel under the River Thames. When I was on the boat, I was wondering what that building over there is, and of course it's the other end of this tunnel, constructed in 1902. Before then it was ferries that would cross just here. Right, so we're taking the Docklands Light Railway again. We're at the Cutty Sark. Oh. Driverless. So this is the docks, Canary Wharf.
This train is 415. The next stop is Marylebone. Change for national rail services. And leaving the train, please remember to take
So we get to join a little bit of rail and boating.